Apple CEO Tim Cook has officially confirmed a product launch event scheduled for Wednesday, February 19th, fueling speculation that the long-awaited iPhone SE4 might finally make its debut. Adding to the excitement, several leaks suggest that Apple could also unveil a brand new MacBook Air featuring the cutting-edge M4 chip, making this event one to watch closely. To build anticipation, Cook posted a teaser on X displaying a sleek silver Apple logo with the intriguing caption, "Get ready to meet the newest member of the family." While he refrained from disclosing any specifics, the visual design of the teaser has sparked widespread discussion. The smooth, gradient-like waves in the animation bear a striking resemblance to the rear panel of an iPhone, hinting at a significant design refresh. If these speculations turn out to be accurate, it would strongly suggest that Apple is finally saying goodbye to the classic home button, potentially introducing Face ID to its more affordable iPhone lineup. For those who were skeptical due to the lack of official confirmation, this latest update from Tim Cook himself puts all doubts to rest. Something big is definitely on the way. So, what are your thoughts on the rumored February 19th launch? Do you believe Apple will officially introduce the iPhone SE4 on this date? And how do you feel about the iPhone 17 Air's hands-on design? Share your opinions in the comments below. We love to hear from you. Interestingly, there hasn't been any official confirmation that the device in question is actually the iPhone SE 4th generation. In fact, it might not even carry that name at all. Instead, we're only presented with an Apple logo featuring a sleek liquid metal design. While some may speculate that this teaser is hinting at a new iPad or even a MacBook, our gut feeling tells me that this is, without a doubt, the next iPhone. We completely understand that many of you have been eagerly anticipating every bit of news regarding the iPhone SE4. Rest assured, we are keeping a close eye on every update that makes its way online, no matter how minor it may seem. That being said, if things don't turn out exactly the way we're expecting, let's not rush to disappointment. Sometimes, surprises can be even better than what we originally hoped for. Let's watch closely as everything unfolds. In addition, Y Studio recently shared a hands-on demo of what appears to be the upcoming iPhone 17 Air through an Instagram post. However, the front display doesn't reveal much aside from an animated message that simply reads, "Hello Air." No additional specifications or design features were showcased. Even so, this latest concept offers a subtle but intriguing preview of how the iPhone 17 Air might feel in hand when it eventually hits the market. Recent leaks suggest that the upcoming iPhone 17 Air will have an incredibly slim profile, measuring just 5.5 mm in thickness. This would make it significantly thinner than the iPhone 16 Pro, which has a thickness of 8.25 mm. To put this into perspective, even Apple's slimmest iPhone to date, the iPhone 6, was still thicker at 6.9. Alongside its ultra-thin build, the device is rumored to feature a distinctive rear camera design, consisting of a single lens housed within a bar-shaped module. This is a completely new design approach for an iPhone, setting it apart from previous models. Interestingly, leaked images showcasing the iPhone 17 Air's back align with these details, lending more credibility to these reports. If these leaks turn out to be true, the iPhone 17 Air could rival the slimness of Apple's M4 iPad Pro, whose 11-inch model is just 5.3 mm thick. Industry experts speculate that Apple's shift toward an ultra-thin design could be a strategic move to appeal to consumers who are seeking a fresh and unique alternative to the typical smartphone upgrade. By prioritizing an exceptionally sleek form factor, Apple may be looking to redefine premium smartphone aesthetics and functionality. In conclusion, the upcoming 2025 refresh is anticipated to introduce substantial upgrades across various aspects, including design, build quality, and performance, ensuring that the new devices remain more relevant and competitive than ever. Initially, reports had pointed to a February 11th launch for the iPhone SE4, but instead, Apple surprised everyone by unveiling the Powerbeats Pro 2 on that date. This release marked the debut of Apple's first premium wireless earphones equipped with advanced heart rate monitoring technology, further expanding its lineup of high-end audio accessories. Despite this shift in launch plans, renowned Apple analyst Mark Gurman from Bloomberg maintained that the iPhone SE4 was still on track to be announced soon. Now, all indications suggest that the long-awaited reveal is just around the corner. So what are your thoughts? Do you believe the iPhone SE4 is about to be revealed? Or do you expect something entirely different? Drop your opinions in the comments. That wraps up today's video. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.